Hey guys, it's Maymay. Have you ever said, I'm about to throw this machine out the window? You may not have said it, but I did read it in a post recently, and it made me sad. I thought if I could just spend a little bit of time with that crafter and show them how to use Design Space, I could really change the way they feel about their Cricut machine. So that's exactly what we can do. I have a Design Space class coming up. It's actually called Cricut Design Space 101. And in this class, my goal is to teach you how to use every single function inside of Design Space. Because if you can learn the software to run the machine is a breeze and you will become a crafting superstar and love that machine from now until forever. So if you would like to take a class with me, there is information in the description for you to be able to sign up. A couple of things I think are really cool about the class. One, because it's live streamed on YouTube, it's a link that you can have forever. So anytime you want to reference the class, you can go right back to it and find any information you learned. And secondly, I give you an email so you can reach me if you're working on a project and I can help you. I do my best to help you through the email. Sometimes we have to even go further in video conference to be able to help each other. But I really want you to be able to use that Cricut machine. So if you'd like to sign up and be a part of our class, the link's in the description, and I cannot wait to teach you what I know. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye now.